The Huawei Nova 15 Ultra is shaping up to be a serious contender in the premium mid-range space, focusing heavily on a redesigned aesthetic and flagship-level camera hardware. The biggest visible change for the Nova 15 Ultra is the completely new rear design. The Ultra features a structured rectangular camera module that stretches horizontally across the top of the back panel. Other contains the LED flash and the XD-ported branding, hinting at advanced processing. The front is expected to feature a large 1.5K resolution LTPO OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate to be around 6.84 inches screen size, offering a smooth and high-quality viewing experience. It will support a triple rear camera setup, a 50-megapixel flagship-level main camera, a powerful 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, and an ultra-wide angle sensor to house a dual front-facing camera system. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.